In this demonstration video, I am going to show how we can use IBM Quantum platform for utilizing quantum computing. Here I am showing how we can sign in IBM Quantum platform. If I click on the link, it will take me to login screen. Here we can log in using the username and password, or we can also log in using our Gmail account. So as I already created an account earlier, so if I will log in through my Gmail, it will take me to my Gmail account. It will take me to my IBM Quantum platform account through my Gmail. From that dashboard, it is visible that I already run 5 quantum programs, and here how much time is available for my 28-day trial period. I created this account 2 days back, and I got 10 minutes free runtime in quantum system. From those 10 minutes, I already used 10 seconds for running those 5 codes, and 9 minutes 50 seconds is still remaining. So what will happen after 28 days? To understand that, we can see what options IBM Quantum Platform provides. We can view all access plans here, where we can see different plans provided by IBM Quantum Platform. Currently, I avail open plan, which provided me 30 days and 10 minutes of runtime. It seems that 10 minutes is not enough, but for quantum computer, 10 minutes is a huge time. If we can design a quantum program properly, run it in a simulator, test it as much as if we test our quantum program properly before sending it to the actual quantum computer, then it will not take much quantum processing time. So for getting started, we can easily utilize this 10-minute free runtime every month, so that we can get a good understanding of quantum computing. After that, when the period ends, we can switch to a pay-as-you-go plan, where we can still avail the 10 minutes of free runtime each month. After 10 minutes, we may need to pay 96 USD per minute. So if we are doing some research where the extra minutes must be required, in that case also we may need to pay to IBM. Until that, we can easily utilize the free 10 minutes to get a clearer idea about the quantum runtime each month. And from this, we can see that 10 minutes is obvious. From this, we can see that 10 minutes is worth of 960 USD. So we should try to utilize this free facility. So how will we able to run a program using in the quantum machine? To do so, we can write a function in Python and use a API key obtained from this IBM Quantum. I can show from where that we can get the API key. To get the API key, we need to go account settings, then advanced account settings, and from the advanced account settings, we will see under the manage, we can see the access and then the API key. I already created an API key here. I can copy the API key on my clipboard and use this API key in a Python program